In this video, I'll guide you through how to find revenue by product in Google Analytics 4. If you're managing an online store or you just want to understand which products are actually bringing in money, knowing where to find revenue data is essential. We'll walk through this step by step inside the GA4 interface so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open your browser and go to analyticsgoogle.com. Make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that you've selected the right GA4 property for your website or app. If you manage multiple properties, double check the property name at the top of the screen so you don't accidentally look at the wrong data. Once you're in the right place, you'll land on the main Google Analytics 4 dashboard. Today, I'll show you how to navigate from that dashboard into the reporting area. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical menu. In that menu, look for the section labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on Reports. This is where GA4 groups all of your standard reporting views, and it's the foundation for exploring metrics like revenue, engagement, and user behavior. After you click Reports, you'll see a few different options under that section. One of the key ones is called Report Snapshot. This is a high-level overview that pulls together your most important metrics into a single customizable page. Click on Report Snapshot. It might take a second to load, but once it does, you'll see a collection of cards, charts, and metrics summarizing how your property is performing. In this video, you'll learn how to adjust that snapshot so that it highlights revenue information more prominently. At the top right of the Report Snapshot page, you'll see a small pencil icon. This icon represents Customize Report. Click on that pencil icon. Customizing your report allows you to decide which metrics you see at a glance, which is especially helpful if you're regularly tracking revenue by product or by user. Once the customization panel opens, you'll have a few options. One of the most useful actions here is adding new metrics to your view. Look for the option that says Add Metric and click on it. This is where you tell GA4 which specific numbers you want to keep an eye on. Adding the right metric here will save you time because you won't have to hunt for it in more complex reports later. I'm going to walk you through how to find the right revenue metric. After clicking Add Metric, you'll see a list or a search box where you can look up the metric you need. In the search field, type the word revenue. GA4 will filter the options to show only metrics that include revenue in their name. This makes it much easier to find what you're looking for without scrolling through a long list. From the filtered list of revenue-related metrics, locate the one labeled Total Ad Revenue per Active User and click on it. Selecting this metric adds it to your customized report snapshot, meaning you'll be able to see how much ad revenue you're generating for each active user that interacts with your property. While this doesn't break revenue down by individual product directly, it is an important part of understanding the overall value each user brings, especially if your revenue is tied to product views, impressions, or in-app placements. Once you've added the metric, make sure to apply or save your changes in the customization panel. After that, your report snapshot will refresh with the new metric included. From here, you can continue exploring other GA4 reports, such as monetization and e-commerce purchase reports, to connect this revenue information back to specific products and understand which items are truly driving your earnings.